This model is a torque and action Henry. Looks like someone tried to fix it. There is the speaker, year 2000, Brit Alcroft Tomy. The exterior condition looks good. I like this area. It's matching color for the tender. That's very good. All right, let's see. It looks like someone tried to do something with the model. Unfortunately, they burned this area, and well, it tender looks okay. It just needs a little cleaning. Also, they tried to, oh man, they messed up this part here. Now, if we put a battery, it does not fit at all with that screw. I don't know what was the reason to put a screw in there. Same on the lower area. You can't put the battery in it. Okay, let's see if we can fix it. Screws has been removed. Fresh batteries. And I see nothing happens. I don't know what's going on. I am worried that deeper damage has been done to this model. Oh man, they messed up the wiring. I don't know if this can be. Why is that? I need to figure out how this wiring should go. This is not the right way. Let me tell you, if they messed up, or the previous owner or the person who sent me this model to fix messed up the wiring, it's possible that has been a deeper damage on the circuit board of this torque and action Henry, and that can be impossible to fix and repair. I'm really sorry if you did this and you didn't know how these wires go. You need to take very close, pay attention very closely to what. Oh man, no! What you did to this Henry? Sorry, my friend. I think you made a big damage to this model. Oh no. Oh, this is not right. Yeah, you should contact me before doing any work on this model. This is not right. Oh man, I'll see what I can do. I don't know if I can be fixed or no. These two should never be touching. I see there is one little wire touching the other side of the tab of this switch, so we need to make sure clear everything. I'm gonna completely rewire this model, even if it's in the correct position. That was making short circuit by the switch, and definitely need to repair correctly. Yeah. Oh man, no, this is so bad. See, it melted the plastic by the switch. You need to have the proper soldering iron tool. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do my best. Sorry, my friend, that's a very terrible job, but I need to be honest. This is not the way to. I know you try it, but I need to correct it. I hope there is no damage to the circuit board. I'm still worried about that part. Alright, I did clean it the best I could. It was these two spots were soldered together that they should never be together, and these two also they were soldered together. There are different connections there. We did the best we could with the circuit board, and this is the way it should be looking. Alright, we are going to do a test. Now, here's how I rewired everything. See, we have the positive. This is your guide. This is the positive. The positive goes to one side of the switch here, and then the center goes directly positive to the circuit board, which is this one right here, and the negative comes all the way to this spot here. And then we have this little, I don't remember this part, but anyways, it goes to the other side of the switch. Now the other the negative, which is this one right here, this is the positive where we started, and then we have the negative and the opposite angle of the, other side of the battery compartment. It's this one right here. This should go right over here. Now we can do a test if it works. Unfortunately, my friend, you damaged the battery compartments. You should wait until your soldering iron is hot, really hot, and then you just go boom real quick and get the job done. So here's the switch. You turn it on. Here is the off position. You turn it on here. Henry is now talking. So sad that it's in Japanese. I wish this could be in English anyways. So this is just a sample. I need to run the wires through here, and then we're good to go. That cog is broken, so I need to replace it too. Alright, here is the new cog. This train is taking a long time to fix and repair. Looking good. Alright, I need to put Henry back together. Looking good, looking good. Talking Henry is giving me a hard time to assemble. Last is the battery cover. Finally, we are done with Talk and Action Henry. It was a hard work to fix. Cool. Track test. Track number 2. Track number 3. Track number 4. Alright, unfortunately the motor is kind of old and does not have plenty of power, but the request was to just rewire, and I did more than just rewire. I make sure to fix and repair. But we are done with Talk and Action Henry.